Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom sections in Bento in 2026. If you want to organize your Bento page with personalized content blocks, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the page you want to customize. Next, click the Add Block, Add Section, or similar option available in the page editor. Bento will display different content blocks that you can add to your page. Now choose the type of section you want to create. For example, you can add a text section, image, button, link collection, video, or another supported content block. Next, enter the content for your new section. Add a title, description, links, or any other information you want visitors to see. Make sure everything is clear and easy to read. Now arrange the new section by dragging it to the position you prefer. Place your most important content near the top of the page for better visibility. If customization options are available, adjust the colors, spacing, or layout to match the overall style of your Bento page. Before publishing, click Preview to see how the page looks. Review each section and test any links or buttons to make sure they work correctly. Finally, save your changes and visit your public Bento page to confirm that the custom section appears exactly as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add custom sections in Bento step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.